Ever felt lost in time, far from home, missing loved ones as you cross borders and cities? Every minute matters when you're chasing dreams. But what if every second could bring you closer? Introducing the Casio AE1200 series. Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. A watch designed for the world traveler's heart. Dual analog digital display. Elegant yet practical. Track global time across 31 time zones, 48 cities. Never miss a call from home, wherever you are. World map display keeps you connected to loved ones. Feel the warmth of home, even oceans away. Bright LED light with afterglow for late night adventures. Find comfort in clarity, no matter how dark it gets. Advanced stopwatch for every second that counts. Countdown timer for moments you can't wait to cherish. 5 daily alarms, gentle reminders of what matters. Mute function for peaceful moments of reflection. Durable 100mm water resistance for wild journeys. Swim, snorkel, or dance in the rain, worry-free. 10-year battery life, memories that last a decade. Full auto calendar, so you never lose track of time. Let every day be a new adventure, stress-free. For travelers who chase sunsets and new beginnings. For outdoor lovers who find beauty in every sunrise. For busy professionals balancing work and family, this watch is more than a tool, it's a companion. It's the heartbeat of your journey, wherever you go. Imagine calling home from a distant city. The world map reminds you, you're never too far. Every alarm, a reminder of someone waiting for you. Every second, a chance to make new memories. LED light guides you through unfamiliar nights. The countdown timer marks moments worth waiting for. Precision stopwatch for every race, every challenge. 5 alarms for 5 promises you keep daily. Mute function for quiet moments of gratitude. 100mm water resistance for fearless exploration. Swim freely, dive deep, live boldly. 10-year battery for a decade of adventures. Auto calendar keeps you present, not just punctual. No more worrying about missed dates or times. No more missing out on what truly matters. Every feature crafted for your peace of mind. Every detail designed to keep you close to home. Feel connected, no matter where life takes you. Let your watch be the bridge between hearts. A gift for yourself or someone you love. Share moments, not just hours, across continents. Stay organized, stay adventurous, stay close. Casio AE1200 Your story told in every tick. Remember the laughter shared across time zones. Cherish the calls made under foreign stars. Celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, milestones never late. Let the world map guide your next reunion. Let the alarms remind you to say, I love you. Let the stopwatch count your victories, big and small. Let the countdown timer build anticipation for homecomings. Let the LED light brighten your darkest days. Let water resistance free your adventurous spirit. Let the 10-year battery power your dreams. Let the auto calendar mark your journey. Because every second with loved ones is precious. Because every adventure deserves to be remembered. Because every heartbeat matters, near or far. Wear your memories, wear your dreams. Choose the Casio AE1200 series today. Bring home a watch that understands your journey. Gift the warmth of connection wherever life leads. Time is love, measured in moments together. Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Start your next adventure with Casio. Order now.